Okay, friends, welcome to another video by Rea English for Real Life. Today I'm going to show you short and long vowels, more difficult words, pain in the ass, maybe, I don't know, check it out. So, today, as I said, long and short vowels. In English, we have, same as Spanish and some other languages, vowels. But in English, you must remember, we have words from some other languages. You must remember that English was created with Latin, French, and German. Sorry, and it also has some other languages. Okay, that's why pronunciation in English is really unstable. All right, so check these words. The first two, meat and meat. You might be wondering, why did I use a parenthesis here? Well, remember in American English, we often eliminate letters. We call this flap T. It means the letter T at the end disappears, goes, bye-bye. So, meat and meat. So every time you see double E, it's going to be an E. Okay, but it's a short one. And an E and A, well, this is unstable. I will show you some words later. Because sometimes it sounds like E, sometimes sounds like A. Alright, so let's keep going. This is meat, but meat. Sit, sit. I want you to notice this, so don't start telling me this is wrong. Okay, I know this is not the correct one. I just want to clarify the difference between sit and sit. So that's why I use this symbol, the letter E. This is specifically for people who speak Spanish. So my friends who speak Spanish, this is for you, or even Portuguese, okay? Because I want you to notice the difference between sit and sit. So sit, this is what I have my ass right now. I'm gonna sit and sit down. Did you notice the difference? Sit, sit. I got some more words coming. Sea, the ocean. Letter C, and can you see? So as you can see, C and C are short and C is a little longer. Okay. Even in English we have a phrase which says I need vitamin C. Vitamin C. And we say C, not C, because we are talking about vacations, holidays. The difference between this and these. Did you notice? This, these. I said again, this is the letter E, so this is for people who speak Spanish. This, these. The trick is, this one you say this, really serious, and this is this, like smiling. Road and road, we have homophones here. Same sound, different meaning. Road is a path of ride. And road, this is a path, a way where you walk through or whatever. What about the word ship and ship? Ship, ship. So this is a borrego in Spanish, oveja. Ship, this is barco. Okay, ship, ship. Your trick, isn't it? What about chip and chip? Chip means not expensive, but the chip is the thing that you put inside of your phone, the chip. Okay, the micro SIM or whatever. Chip. Or also the fried potatoes. Okay, chip, chip. Got it? Fool and fool. Don't be a fool. Be careful. If you go to the restaurant and you say, I'm full, you are telling you are dumb, kinda, So make sure you say, I'm full. Thank you. So no more. Listen to the difference. Fool, full. Full, full. Got it? All right. Pan and pen. So this is pan is a container. There's a tea pan where you cook, where you storage some food. That's a pan. But this is a pen. Got it? Pan, pen. Man, man. Okay? These are not short and long vowels, so I just want to put them here to show you that also, okay? Pan, pen. Man, one man, two men. Got it? Excellent. What about these three words, friends? Cat, cat, cat. What the hell? Yeah. This is cat. A kitten, you know, a gato. Cut. You have to cut something. Oh, I cut my finger. But cut. You have to use your throat when you say cut. This is the passive catch. Atrapar. Cut. So listen up. This is a cat. I caught something and I got caught. Got it? Alright, I hope so. Otherwise you can watch the video game. And let's finish this video with these words right here. The last video was showing you the difference between winner and winner. You are a winner because you are watching my videos. Let's get some winners, shall we? A teacher, winner. Winner, ganador, for reference with the K. Good. Got it? Alright. Almost done. This is a bear. Bear, you know? I don't have any beard. Beard. I want some beer right now. Do you want some beer? Let's get some beer, shall we? Oh, what a beautiful bird. Bird. And birth. Actually, yesterday was my birthday. So check him out. A bear. My beard. I want some beer. There is a bird and birth. Bear. Beard. Beer. Short. Remember I told you double E short sound. This is a bird and birth. Bird. Birth. Got it? I hope you do. And friends, thank you. Don't forget, subscribe, and see you next time. JJ out. Bye-bye. Let's get some beer, shall we?